Hello from Fairshare IT Services. This particular video is useful if you are using Google My Business or Business Suite, those kind of things, which are paid services from Google. And I'm assuming that you have got certain user created under your own domain. Like for example, fairshare.tech is our domain name, and we have got Ani at fairshare.tech, Rohit at fairshare.tech, and so on under the Fairshare domain. But ultimately, though the email ID looks like Ani at fairshare.tech, the backend is all Gmail. So we are all familiar with Gmail. But all those IDs are paid IDs, right? So, but in some cases, what happens is that the person who's going to check the email is the same, but you want to create more email IDs so that it looks better for your website, for your company, right? Like for example, I know that in our case, Rohit is the one who takes care of the sales, takes care of the marketing, takes care of talking to our clients. So he already has an email ID called rohit at fairshare.tech. Now what I want to do is that I also want to create another user ID called as sales at fairshare.tech. But if I create a new user ID using this menu button, then Google is going to charge me as per my plan, so something like $5 per month. So if I create that new ID, also another headache is that Rohit will have to check those two emails separately, or he will have to pull the same email sales at fairshare.tech into Rohit at fairshare.tech, which is going to be which is going to need some setup. But in this case the person is the same. So Google provides something called as alias, and you don't get charged for creating n number of alias. There are like certain limits on that, but you can create it and no extra charges. You only get charged for one particular email ID. Let's say in this case Rohit at fairshare.tech. Now how do we create alias? It's actually very simple. So first thing you need to do is you need to log into admin at google.com. So once you log into admin at google.com, then only you are going to see that user box that I showed you on the previous. Let's go through it one more time. So you are going to see this only if you are logged into admin.google.com. Then after that you click here. Then just scroll down a little bit. Then click on any user ID that that you are interested in adding alias for. So in this case, let me pick Rohit's ID. Let's see, where is it? Hold on. Okay, here it is. Clicked on Rohit at Rohit Furnace. So then click on user details. All right. Then after that, you'll see alternate email addresses or email alias. Look at this edit icon, click on that. Then you'll see that I have already created sales at fairshare.tech. So just to show you, I'm just going to create here XYZ, whatever you want, right? XYZ at fairshare.tech. Here we have got multiple domains set up in the same Google for Business account, and I'm going to show you that in one of my next videos. But for now, I'm just going to click here and choose fairshare.tech, and then you'll see this save button at the bottom, and that's it. It's as simple as that. But please note that you can do this only if the physical person who is going to check these two email IDs is the same. If it is not, then you'll have to go by the old-fashioned route of creating the new user, which you will be charged for. All right. Thank you so much. I hope that this video helps you. Do subscribe to our channel. Also, hit on the bell button so that you can keep on getting automatic updates whenever we add such kind of new useful videos. So thank you very much. Stay tuned.